Hello, this is Panda, and here we are going to go over the Panda Heat this entire week. It's the 4th of May, Monday, and I'm going to show you the entire week of Panda Heat trading. Panda Heat has been around since 2010, and it's coming up on the 50-year anniversary this summer. Panda Heat has been one of the best momentum scalpers for the E-mini S&P 500 futures contract for this entire time. So it's a very popular and easy to use system, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, and I'm going to show you all the trades for this week. So just to let you know, I'm going to be trading two contracts. Okay, this is my NinjaTrader automatic entry and exit strategy. So I'm going to have a stop loss of 2 points, which is 8 ticks. Okay, that's on both contracts. The first contract is going to try to get out at a profit of 1 point, and the second target is going to get out at a profit of 2 points, which is 8 ticks. And that's all. It's either going to stop us out or it's going to give us our profits. So how we trade this system is very simple, and I'm going to be talking briefly about it during each trade, and hopefully the video won't be too long. Okay, what we need to do is we need to know the bias of the market right now, and the bias of the market right now is long. Okay, this is the overnight session here, and it's right now 9:32. The market has just opened, so I have it shaded in for the overnight session. So bias right now is long because this gold line is above the magenta line. Okay, if this gold line was under it, the magenta line, then we would be stalking short trades. But everything is looking positive right now. The lower indicators are very important. They are what's going to give us our signal. Okay, in combination with these slopes and of course the color of the bars. So what we need to do in order for there to be a long signal right now, we would need price to actually go back and touch and test this gold line, and we would also need price to recycle itself from blue to another color, red, which is what we would want to see, and then to become blue again in conjunction with a recycling of this dotted indicator. So I'm going to pause it and come back when there's a trade that's looking like it's going to set up. Okay, so right here looks like there's a trade setting up. You see price has come back and touched and tested this gold line, and price went from blue to red, and the same thing with this lower indicator from blue to red. So we have a recycling of those. We would get long on the next blue bar, provided these slopes remain positive and we get a blue dot down here, because everything would indicate that it's above this zero line here. And that's all we're doing. Once that happens, we would enter long by buying the bid. I like to buy the bid or sell the offer because it provides a better entry rather than just going in at the market. Okay, so if this, once we get a candle and it's going to be the first or second candle of a color change, then we would get long. So we just have to wait. We have to be patient and watch the market and wait for these trades to set up. That's all we're looking for. And if you can do that, then you can successfully and easily trade the Panda Heat scalping system. This system has not changed over the past 5 years. Okay, the market doesn't change. The market will do the same things over and over. Market makes moves up and down, It makes easy 2-3 point moves, so we're looking to capture these moves on a daily basis. Okay, let's see. If this closes blue, okay, we have a blue bar and a blue dot down here. Everything's in line, so I'm going to buy the bid right here. I'm going to buy the bid here. Okay, I got filled there.
Stopped out.
Alright, well, that trade didn't work out. We got stopped on that. So that's unfortunate, but it happens. So we're going to wait for the next trade. Alright, it's lunchtime now. I have it shaded in a red color to indicate lunchtime trading zone. So generally don't like to trade from 11:30 till about 1:30. So best trading is usually from 9:30 to 11:30, and then 1:30 to 3:30. So those are the 4 hours of the trading session that's best for the Panda Heat. So if we can follow those rules, then you only have to trade 4 hours a day. All right, it's about 2 o'clock here. Lunchtime is over, and we would only be looking for short trades now, because you see there's a cross of this gold line below the magenta line, but there would be no short because this Panda MACD, this dotted line, is above the zero line. It's blue, and so nothing is looking like it's setting up here. So there's no trade whatsoever. The Panda Heat is good because it does keep us out of choppy markets or non-directional markets, and that's exactly the case here, because prices hasn't done much since, for the past few hours here. So if there's a trade, I will definitely record it. All right, well, it's already 3:30 here. I have a shaded gray to highlight the session that it goes into the overnight session. So there was no trades this afternoon. So we had one trade today, and unfortunately that was a loser. Hopefully tomorrow is a better day, but sometimes we have a losing day. Let's see how we do tomorrow. Alright, market has opened here, and it's Tuesday the 5th. We're just looking for trades right now. We would only be looking for what? Short trades. Gold line is below here, and but of course we would need the first red bar, and we would need everything else to be lined up, which I don't see at the moment. So if there's a trade that's gonna present itself, I'm gonna record it. All right. Maybe the next bar will be red, and the slope will be red, and this dot will be red. Let's see. Just have to wait for the bar to close. There's needs to be over 300 ticks to trade for the bar to be closed here. So all right. You see this doji? It's red. It actually shows red, but it's a doji, so you could enter into this trade, or you can wait for a solid bar. But everything seems to line up, so I'm just going to go ahead and sell the offer here.
Order filled.
It might be a little bit aggressive because of the doji itself, but it's still red, so we're just going to go ahead. With the order. Okay, so there we go. So that bar actually closed red. So we could have got in there and actually got a better fill on that. So, but anyway, we did what we did, so we just have to live with it. All right, it's looking pretty good. Come on, push down.
Profit target filled. Profit target through.
All right, there we go. A nice trade as it should be. So we'll just continue trading today. Wait for the next trade. All right, we're here in the afternoon and just waiting. Nothing has set itself up until about now. It's looking like it may go short, so everything needs to line up though. So just have to wait and see. Nothing yet. We need these slopes negative, and we need these indicators to be below here for anything to happen. Okay, looks like it's trying to work itself to go short. Just have to wait. Have to wait for the bar to close and see. Alright. Well, we're getting close here. We just need to see a red bar along with red slopes, along with the red lower indicators here. At least this dot here needs to be red for everything to line up. Just have to wait. That's part of the Panda Heat, is just waiting for the signals to develop. So some people like to say you get paid to wait, and that's exactly what we do here. We take the trades as they present itself, and that's what we're doing. We're just waiting. A lot of patience required in this. Okay, still nothing yet. There's no red bars. We need this one. Okay, the slopes are red. We need a red dot and a red bar. So it's looking like it's setting up for a short right here. We just need a red bar, and we need a dot to be red. So when that happens, it'll be a short trade. Let's see if the bar closes red though. If it is, I'm gonna sell the offer here. Okay, we got a red bar. It's red. Everything is red. Let's
Order pending.
Let's sell the offer here.
Order filled.
Hope for the best. So see that? The first red bar after color change. First red dot. Of course, I give it up to two bars or 2 dots. So this one happened on the first, so we take it. Come on. There we go. All right. We got filled on our first target there. Our stop is now at break even. Keep it going down. Come on. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. One more tick. Give us one more tick here. You can always move the stop if you want to lock in profits, but I'm just going to leave it here. I'm going to leave it at break even. Or maybe if it hits my target here, I'll move it to 1 point.
Profit target through.
There we go. Alright, that was good. Good day. Alright, we had basically just 2 trades today so far. One in the morning and one in the afternoon. So, very good. Market's still pushing down here a bit, but alright, well, 3:30 now, so there's been no other trades, so we're just gonna call it a day. We'll see how we do tomorrow. Alright, Wednesday morning here. So you see that this was the first, actually the second bar, and we had a dot. So I give up to 2. Nice. Alright, taking a few minutes, but it's okay. Alright, that's a good way to start the morning. Let's wait for more trades. Okay, so we have a first color change bar and You see the dot there, so that's a signal. Alright, well, it's taking its time. Came up against us a bit. Let's see what it does.
Profit target filled.
Alright, very nice. Let's keep it going. Come on.
Stopped out.
Well, we got stopped out on the second contract, so that was a break-even trade on the second one. So that's all we could do there. We made the first target. The second target stopped us out without any loss. Alright, we're after lunch here, and nothing right now. Just have to wait and see. But it's a short. Well, there's a first color change bar, but you see this lower indicator is red, but the other indicator is not below the zero line. So there's no trade right now, unless the second bar will also have that hash mark below the zero line. And no, it's not. You see, that hash mark is still above the zero line on the second bar. So no trade. No trade. So we give a 2-bar chance and have to wait for the next trade. Anyway, 3:30 now, so we'll call it a day with $200 on some trades. So let's do it again tomorrow. Alright, Thursday morning here, looking like a long setup. Just need a blue bar and a blue dot. Let's see what we get, and we go long. There we go. There we go. Let's try to get filled here. Sometimes I just move it up just to get filled. Don't need to do that, but sometimes it really moves in our favor quickly. So let's see how this goes.
Profit target filled.
Alright, we hit our first profit target. Come on, don't stop us out. Let's keep it going. Come on.
Profit target filled.
Alright, nice winner here for the first 15 minutes of the morning. Very good. Let's see if we can get some other trades in today. Alright, this is looking like a long setup here. It's about over an hour after the market. Let's get a blue dot and try to get long here. Just have to wait and see. Wait for this bar to close. Slopes are positive. And we have to just wait. Okay, there we go. We got the blue dot, everything lined up. Alright, we're in.
Profit target filled. Stopped out.
Alright, well, we got stopped out there on the second contract, so we hit the first contract target. Second one, we got stopped out. So we made partial profits on that. So it's okay. See if there's another trade. Alright, well, we just had that one trade. Now it's lunchtime. See if there's anything later on. Alright, well, it's already closing time here. It's almost 4 o'clock. So no more trades that happened today. We'll have to just call it a day. Had a nice day, $200 with some trades, and let's try to do it again tomorrow, Friday, last day of the week. Alright, Friday morning, market opened about 10 minutes ago. We're waiting to get long here, but look at the slope there. One is positive, one is still zero. So if this bar can close blue and we have a slope positive, let's get in. Just have to wait. We need the slope positive and then we get long.
Order pending.
Got it. We have positive slopes. Okay, we're filled in this trade. So everything lined up within the second bar. So let's see how the trade goes.
Profit target filled.
Nice, we got our profit target already. Let's see if we get filled here on the second one. Come on.
Profit target filled.
Alright, nice. Very good. It's always nice to get a winning trade off the first thing in the morning here. Market hasn't even been open for 15 minutes, so very good. Let's see what the rest of the day has for us. Alright, here's another trade setting up. Looks like we need a blue bar and a blue dot. Then we can just hit this button and buy the bid. Let's see, let's see. Is it going to close blue?
Order pending.
Yep. Can we get filled? Let's see if we can get filled here.
Order filled.
Alright. Okay, we're in. It's about 10:30 here, so let's see. Alright, well, it's after 11. I've been in this trade a long time. It hasn't gone anywhere. It's just consolidating, so this is a long trade. It's taken a while, but we're already in it, so let's just either get our profits or get stopped out. Okay, it hit our profit target. It moved up our second stop to break even, so let's see what it can do.
Stopped out.
Well, we got stopped out there on one of our contracts, so basically it just took off some risk for us. So we're just in one contract, hoping to get the first target. Just have to wait.
Profit target filled.
All right. Well, we got filled there on one of our contracts, so we got 1 point. That was a long trade. That was well over 30 minutes from about 11:30, no 10:30 till what is it now? Yes, 6, 7 after. So took a while. So we got a point. Let's see what else we can do today. All right. Well, lunchtime now. Nothing else. Let's see after lunch. Okay. Well, nothing else today. There was a possible trade here, but the MACD didn't recycle over, so no trades. So we're gonna call it a week. Not bad. $200 today. Pretty good. Seems to be about an average day here with 2 contracts. So not a bad system. This is Panda Heat. You're gonna have a few trades every day, so you're not going to be over trading, and you just have to wait and be patient and follow the simple rules. All right, guys, have a great one. This is Panda signing off.
Profit target filled.